Hello, here's some computer help for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to record your screen in Windows. I'll be using Windows 11. There are a couple of different ways using tools that come with Windows 11. This demonstration will show you how to make a video of your screen using the Snipping Tool. The first step involves going to the bottom of your screen and typing Snipping Tool into the search bar. It will pop up in the window above. Select it when you see it. That will launch a new little window. In that window, you can see a camera icon for screenshots or individual screen capture images. And there's a movie camera icon for video clips. We want that one for this tutorial. All the way to the left, there's a button labeled New. When I click on that, the entire screen gets covered with a slight gray filter. It now wants me to drag my cursor and select a portion of my screen that I want to use for the recording. I'll frame this section of the photo of the mountain. Because I've now made a selection, there's now a Start button on my screen. I'll click there to begin my recording. That click now initiates a 3-second countdown clock in the middle of my selection. At the end of the countdown, my screen is recording. The edge of the selection turns to the color red, indicating that the recording is in progress. I'll make some circular motion with my cursor for this example clip so that you can see the movement. When I want to stop the recording, I click on the red square stop button that is now in my recorder control at the top of the screen. A window containing my new video clip appears. It indicates that screen recordings are automatically saved to your screen recordings folder. While that's the case, I do have some options here. I could edit the file in Clipchamp. That's an application that comes with this operating system. I can play the file in order to see if the recording is good. Here's my cursor moving around. Or if I want to quickly save this file in some specific directory, I can use the file icon in the top right portion of the window. That action will allow me to choose a place to save my file. By default, the file is saved in a Videos folder on your hard drive. I'll show you a couple of ways to access that folder. Click on the File Explorer in your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Now you'll want to locate the Video section in the left side column. In that folder, you'll see Screen Recordings. I'll click on the Screen Recordings folder. There's my new clip. If, for some reason, your Videos folder is no longer pinned to your left side column, the path to the Screen Recordings folder is this: Windows, User, then your username, the name that was used when you set up this computer, and then Videos. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful to you. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Take care, and I'll see you next time.